Welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make a very famous Indonesian sauce used in many recipes, and we're talking about Panggang sauce. I'm Wes, let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients we're going to use for our Panggang sauce. We got a celery stalk with the leaves, fresh ginger, 2 onions, cilantro or coriander leaves if you like. We need a little bit of a cafe lime zest, turmeric root, galanka root, a few hot chilies just to give it a little punch, salt, palm sugar, tamarind paste, vegetable oil, sweet soy sauce, concentrated tomato paste, a lemon, an orange, pineapple with its natural juice, garlic cloves, and our shrimp paste. You can have the dry version of shrimp paste, the Indonesian one that's called terasi, but you can also use the Chinese one. So and all this together is going to give us a very nice Panggang sauce, sweet with a little tanginess and a little bit spicy. About half a liter of water, add the tamarind paste, bring up to the boiling point and let it simmer until the paste is nicely dissolved in the water. Kill the heat and filter, and here you go. First we're going to blend the ingredients that we're going to stir fry. The onion, the garlic, the galanka root, turmeric root, ginger root, just leave the skin on, and the coriander with the stems and all. Pour a little bit of tamarind juice on there so it's easier to blend. It might take 4 to 5 minutes. Then we're going to blend the rest of the ingredients. The pineapple with the juice, orange with the skin, lemon with the skin, celery with the leaves, add some tamarind juice for blending. And it's the same, after a few minutes we're done. Take a large frying pan or a wok, half a cup of vegetable oil, medium heat, and we're going to fry our shrimp paste. Open the windows of your kitchen, because the least I can say is the smell of frying shrimp paste is not going to make you happy. But as bad as it smells, as flavorful it is in all your dishes. So if you want to get rid of bad neighbors, this is the trick. 1.5 minutes, and then we're going to add the onion and the garlic paste. Put some more heat, and we're going to fry our paste for a few minutes. Pour a little bit more oil on the side. After 5 minutes, add the orange and lemon paste, the sweet soy sauce, dark soy sauce, tomato paste, the rest of the tamarind juice, mix it all up, the palm sugar, add a little bit of cafe lime zest. Not too much. You see, this is enough. That little bit is going to give a lot of fragrance. Salt, we're going to let it simmer slowly for 1 hour, and then we're going to adjust the flavors a little bit. After 1 hour we're going to taste our Panggang sauce. So for me it needs some more sugar. That makes a total of 400 grams sugar. Another half a cup of soy sauce. That makes a total of 1 cup of sweet soy sauce and 1 cup of dark soy sauce. And we're going to let it simmer for another 45 minutes. Panggang sauce is good with fish, meats, vegetarian foods. It is just a beautiful, flavorful sauce. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. And my dear gourmet friends, bon appetit, see you back soon.